Hey guys, it's Victor here with Lightspeed Construction. Here in Knoxville, had a condo where it was leaking right at the valley. It's getting into the customer's home, and it was right at the valley shared with another resident. So here we go. Basically tore off all the shingles in this valley right here, and we laid down the boards, fastened them down, did the membrane on top, and here we re-shingled all this whole area right here leading right into that valley. Shouldn't have any more leaks anymore. And we should be all set. Thanks, guys.